This is Dr. B, and I'm going to show you how to quickly and accurately take 75% of a number. What we do, we take 75, and remember, percent is per 100. So 75 over 100 per 100. And when you divide 75 by 100, you get 0.75. So we've just converted our percent to a decimal. And now all we need to do is multiply that decimal by any number. That gives us 75% of a number. So let's take 75% of 36. So we take 0.75 times 36. 0.75 times 36, we get 27. So 75% of 36 is 27. We just took our percent divided by 100 to get a decimal. Then we multiply that decimal by the number. So pause and try this one. Let's do 12. We divide our percent by 100 to get a decimal. Then we multiply our decimal by the number. We get 9. So 75% of the number 12, that gives us 9. And it's really the same process. Whenever you want to find a percent of a number, divide the number by 100, get the decimal, and then multiply the decimal by that number. So that's it. Leave a comment or jump over to my next video. Thanks for watching.